So I'll share this file which will contain input CSV for inputting the tickers, packages that will contain the packages required for this, and instruction will contain the instruction how to install it and how to use it. So let me first open this instructions. If I go to installation, that first step is to open the terminal at the folder location. So let me open the terminal. Let me see. Okay, it's in the folder. If I type it, it's in v3. Fine. So now I need to create a virtual environment. For this I need to type this lines of code here. It will take some time to install, but not that long. Okay, it's done. Now I'll type this code again. So here it is, done. Now I'll install the packages. To install the packages, I will write this one. So just copy it and paste it. Okay, it is actually installing the required packages for this. It's going to take 1 minute. So this installation activity is one time. So I think installation is done now. Okay, this step is not necessarily required, but let me do it. So if I open it, I can see this all are blank. Let me save it. Let me enable content. Let me close this one also, and I'm going to save it. And in the next step, installation is done. There is some note, you might have don't have Python 3.7. In that case, you can follow this link to install Python 3.7. In case pip is not installed in your system, you can refer to this link. Also, if you don't have virtual environment, you can refer to this. But all of this are by default installed in macOS. So now installation is complete. Now we can move and use it. So to use it, we'll open the input.csv file. Okay, there are two columns. One contains the ticker 1 and the other contains the ticker 2. I have the tickers ready. Let me see. Let me close this one. Where is my tickers? Yeah, there. These are my tickers. I'll paste this here. So I have like 4 tickers for whom I'm going to pull the data. So I'll close this. Then I go to instruction and see this is the line of code that need to be pasted here to execute. Let me press enter. So it's pulling the data from yahoofinance.com, and once data is pulled, it will open the template. So it will ask for enable. You need to enable it, and now it will start the processing part. It will take approx 1 minute per pair of ticker. So you need to wait until this completes. So this should take less than 4 minutes, since I have put 4 pairs of tickers. If you're watching this video, you can forward so that you don't get bored. But I don't have the option, so I am sitting here. watching it and watching it. Oh, our first sheet is created, I guess. So it's basically calculating while pasting the data, and it is removing the formulas. Once calculation is done, it's removing the formulas from the created sheets. So it's become lighter when the processing is done. In the earlier versions, the formulas were not pasted back to values. That's why those were slow. But this one will be faster once the processing is done. So second sheet is created. Let's see. Okay, you can see two settings above. These are security warning and financial market information. These are some disclaimer put by the Microsoft. You can just ignore those. Okay, we're on to our third. I think everything is running fine. So it's doing its final calculations. Okay, sheet number 4 just appeared. Okay, cool. It's pulling the data. I think it's done. Yep. Let me enable the content. Let me remove this warning. And let me go to the watch list. Oh, yes. I have the four tickers along with the data for each of those. If I go scroll right, all data are filled now. And if I can see, the sectors are also there. That's cool. That's it from me. If you find any issues, you can definitely reach out to me via Skype or through me here. So, thank you.